Good morning. It's really bright because I had to park in a different spot today. And my makeup is really limited because I did my mother's makeup for a wedding this weekend. And I took all my good stuff out of my work, like my regular, whatchamacallit, my bag. So I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup using just contour and bronzer and with limited brushes too. Okay, so this is the Cheekbone Beauty. Like, it's an old palette, but it's still good. So I just grab the contour and I blend it in the outer corners. I grab the bronzer and put it on the eyelid. I'm so sorry about the lighting. I don't even know if you can see anything. I'll see later, but it's kind of like a natural, like, that's the great thing about the Cheekbone Beauty stuff, is like you can use it like this, like regular makeup or like eyeshadow, right? And I need to sharpen this. I don't know why I pulled this out. And then I grab the eyeliner. If I'm looking over there, it's because I put my mirror behind the... Then I rub that in. Give like a smoky eye. I look somewhat presentable now. I don't remember what I used for shimmer, so we're just gonna move on to blush and bronzer. And this is the only brush I have. We're just flying by the seat of our pants today, so still using the Prados Beauty. And because it's a really, really dense brush, you have to be a little bit more careful with it. The light is so bright that I can't tell what's going on here. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. And now bronzer. I kind of mix my bronzer and my blush together. I don't know why. I think it looks cute. And I don't even have my concealer, so I've been using my Tinted Hydrator from Wet n Wild. And I've just been using that as a concealer. And then I set it with the powder in here. Just hope for the best. But isn't that like what it is when you're doing makeup sometimes? You're just like, well, I mean, it worked fine yesterday. Did you ever notice that all Wet n Wild has the same scent? Or is that just me? That looks alright. It's not the best it's ever looked, but it's alright. Why is the brow product so tiny? It's so hard to find. Oh, so if I just keep my hand right here, the brightness isn't too bad. Well then, I'm gonna do my mascara off camera. I'll be back. Alright, now lip choice. Let's go with this Sephora cream lip stain. That's today's work look. I didn't brush my hair this morning, so I'm probably just gonna put it in a bun. Whoops. But yeah, that's today's look. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I have a whole bunch of videos filmed. I just need to start editing them and posting them, so whoops. Yeah. So have a wonderful day. I will talk to you later.